What is going on, guys? It's your boy Miguel here, back at you with another video. You are watching Miguel EDC, and today you saw the title and the thumbnail. This is an unboxing video for you guys. I'm so excited for this knife. I can't wait to put this knife in my pocket and start EDCing the crap out of it. Got a chance to pick up this guy during the Amazon Prime Day, July 11th to the 12th. So it is fresh. I just got the box in today and I'm not wasting any time. Today is July 13th in the afternoon. So hopefully I'm gonna have this video out here very soon. If not today, I'll have it out tomorrow. Don't forget, the affiliate links will be in the description. It's definitely available, and you would not believe what a deal I got on this knife, what price I was able to pick it up for. So doing the honors today, of course, is the CJRB Pyrite, the OG, and you'll see exactly why I'm choosing to use this knife as the one that's doing the honors here, cutting the Amazon package. But let's go ahead and do a nice little incision right here on the side, shall we? And yeah, take a look at what we have here. All right, is that big enough? Maybe a little bigger incision, shall we? Let's not be stingy. All right, let's see. We have another CJRB knife. What could it be? What could it be, you guys? Let's see, do we have any hints from out here? I don't know, that's the only hint right there. It is a Chinese knife, but this is the best of the best when it comes to EDC and fidgetability knives in 2023. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Bam, let's get this here. Of course, you got the About CJRB text right there. We've seen that in the channel before. You have this nice pouch right here, right? Your little silica gel right there. Put all that to the side. And oh boy, here we go, here we go. What is it? What do we have going on here? Bam! All right, let's see. Okay, all right, here it is, guys. This is the CJRB Pyrite. This is the Warncliffe. What is this? A Warncliffe, Cliff Point, Sheep's Foot. One of those. Bam! Take a look at that, you guys. That is the V2, or the different blade there on the CJRB Pyrite Warncliffe version. Oh man, this thing is good. This thing is real good. Let's see, of course, a button deployment. Of course, it's brand new, so I'm gonna have to break it in a bit right there. We have the thumb opening on this one instead of the thumb studs. All right, so that's different. So you could do the thumb deployment right there, fast or slow. And you could do my favorite, the reverse. Oh. Bam, there it is. Gotta get used to it. Bam, there it is. Bam. Whoa, this thing fires like, whoa, crazy. And of course, this is a quick unboxing. I can't wait to EDC this knife so I can gather some feedback. I'm pretty sure it's going to be very similar to the OG Pyrite. Just giving you some quick first impressions on this video, quick unboxing reaction here, of course, and probably a quick comparison just to kind of make it a nice complete package there for you guys. As far as opening goes, it is very smooth. Weight is about the same. Look at that, guys, side to side right there, come next to each other. All right, you guys take a look. Of course, the Warncliffe version right there is going to be, it's going to stick out a little bit more right there on that width profile, side profile, and it makes sense. It's a whole different blade shape. All right, let's do a quick side to side right there. You guys be the judge. All right, which one do you think is going to be the better one to have? And to tell you the truth, I love my original Pyrite so much. Right, when I saw the announcement for this guy, I told myself, listen, at some point, if I catch a really good sale, I am definitely going to be picking this guy up. And yeah, that sale took place this past Prime Day, July 11th and 12th, and you would not believe, guys, I was able to pick up this knife right here. I was able to pick it up for, I believe, $40, $39.99. Typically retails for, I believe, around $55 or so, but I was able to pick up this guy for $40 or so. Yeah, which is a pretty good deal because I was definitely looking to pick it up at a discount whenever that sale took place. Again, so in love with the first one that I just had to pick me up the second one. And yeah, same jimping going on right here at the top. A little bit less. For some reason, they decided to do a little bit less jimping on this one. I'm not sure what the deal is there. Could have something to do with the integrity, you know, how skinny, how slim this metal is right here. So you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different serrations here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I mean, not a big difference, right? But I feel like they get the job done. You still got some jimping, which is good. Some knives that have a thumb hole just decide to do away with the jimping altogether, so it's good that you still have it. You still have the ability to forward choke right here, which is good, right? You can see them side by side. You still have the forward choke right here, which is really good. It was one of the things that I love about the most on my OG Pyrite, you still can do this on the Wharncliffe version. And the fact that the blade is shaped the way it is going to be really good for those utility cuts, you know, package opening, you know, slicing and dicing, what have you. With this guy is going to be very, very easy to do, right? Whereas this guy, you probably have to bend your wrist a little bit more just to get to the tip right there. With this guy, you can do it just about right there, right? So you see the difference, how much higher my wrist is on one end versus here. Bam. That is really, really good for those utility cuts. Now, as far as other similarities, yeah, this guy, this guy also comes in the AR-RPM9 Powder Steel. So yeah, same steel going on for both of these guys. As you can see right there, if I zoom in really quick and the camera decides to cooperate, of course, they're both stone wash. That is the same on both. The handle is quite the same. Stone wash finish as well, right? Same shape and everything. As a matter of fact, I don't see anything different right there. Same wonderful pocket clip. And yeah, the main difference, of course, aside from the blade shape, is going to be your deployment. Of course, they both share the button lock, of course, but you have thumb studs on the original one, and you have the thumb opening right here on the Wharncliffe version. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can, I don't know if the video is doing it any justice, but it's like a kid Christmas morning, you know, just opening up this knife as if I had never experienced it for the first time, because I know how good my Pyrite has been to me and how much I love it. So looking forward to EDC in this guy and, you know, just flipping the crap out of it, because honestly, that's about 90% of what I do with my knives when I'm not cutting with them and what have you. But let's do a quick paper cutting test. You guys know how we do. We're trying to test for how sharp it is out of the box, and this guy, you just witnessed it coming out of the box. So okay, here we go, paper cutting test. Wham. All right, look at that, you guys. All right, cut a little bit on that one. Boom. Bam. All right, go ahead and rate it in the comments, guys, from 1 through 10, 10 being the sharpest, 1 being dull, of course. Yeah, this guy out of the box, it is not disappointing whatsoever, and it is getting the job done. Look at that. Does it need any sharpening? I don't think so, right? Plenty sharp out of the box, right? If anything, I might strop it a little bit here and there if I'm using it, so get some use out of it. But yeah, this guy is cutting like there is no tomorrow. Let's do some Amazon package cutting here for fair measure. Here we go. Boom, look at that. I'm telling you, a Wharncliffe blade is gonna get work done, all right? This thing is cutting like crazy, and I'm gonna get a lot of utility out of this blade shape. There you have it, guys. There is the CJRB Pyrite and the Wharncliffe blade right here. You guys already know how these videos go. I do a quick unboxing, some quick first impressions on the knife, just share with you guys some first reactions. Then I get a chance to EDC this knife for a couple of weeks, come back to you guys with a comprehensive review. Now, keep in mind, I have already reviewed the OG Pyrite, so if you want to go ahead and check that review out in the meantime, you can do that. I'll put a card right here at the top so you can check that out. Chances are that EDCing this new Pyrite is going to be very similar to EDCing the OG. I mean, just look at them. They're pretty much the same knife, of course, except you have just a different blade right there. So it'll be similar to, let's say, I do 2 different reviews for the Demko AD 20.5, since I do have it in 2 different blade shapes. So same deal kind of going on here with the Pyrite. Chances are the EDCing experience is going to be very, very similar to the OG Pyrite. But if I do find anything outstandingly different along the way, then I'll go ahead and make a separate review video for you guys to check out and just kind of share my experience right there. Keep in mind, guys, affiliate links are in the description for this knife right here and any knives that I talked about in the video. If you made it to the very end, you guys are awesome. I love you all. Thank you for all the support in the channel. If you're on your way out and you haven't subscribed yet, I mean, this will be a great time to do so. If you like knife, if you like talking EDC gear, that is what this channel is all about. I love to keep bringing you quality content on a daily basis. Take care, you guys. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.